Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix the 0xc000007b error on Windows. So without further ado, let's get started. So the most easiest way how you can fix that for some people is working is simply you just need to restart your PC, and after you restart your PC then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then another solution for you is to open up settings. Then you need to go to Windows Update and check for updates. And if there is an update for you that you need to download and install it, please do so. Restart your computer, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, the third method, you just need to locate your app that you want to use, and it's not working, right click on it and run as administrator. And then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And still, if the problem persists, the other thing that you need to do here is to reinstall Microsoft Visual C++ and DirectX. And to do so, first of all, open up your browser, and then you just need to write DirectX and Visual C++. Right? Open up first link, DirectX, download here, and download the file. Same thing with your Visual C++. What you need to do here is to download these three files here, right? One by one. Download all the files here. And after that, what you need to do next is to go back on your desktop and go to Control Panel. Go to Programs and Features. So Programs and Features. And then you need to look for Microsoft Visual C++. So we need to look for Microsoft Visual C++. Look for this one because it's the latest version here, and delete it, right? Or simply you can open up your setup that you just got it, that you just downloaded, and then you can repair and uninstall from there. Just click the VC Redis 64 and press install, then restart your computer, and then press setup again and install all of the setups here. And then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then you need to fix Windows corrupt files. And to do so, you just need to launch the CMD or command prompt, right click on it, run as admin. And here you need to put a few commands. So the first one is this command. I will leave all the commands in the video description below. This one. And then after that, you need to just put CFC. After this finished, you need to put another command that is cfc/scan now. So we need to wait for a couple of seconds, or just I will close it, but you don't close. You just need to wait until it finishes. And then you need to write, after the command is finished, cfc/scan now. Right? And then this command will scan your computer, and if there is a corrupted Windows files, they will be fixed, right? And after that, you need to look if the problem persists or not. And after finish, after you start your computer, and if the problem is not finished, I highly advise it not basically. It's not finished. I highly advise you to just reinstall the app or the game that you're trying to use. So just go to installed apps. Then you need to go to apps, and then, for example, Discord, right? And simply press on the dot here, uninstall and reinstall again. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.